In this video, let me show you the way that you can respond to comments from your YouTube studios. Whether you're trying to make a reply on the comment that you have on your YouTube channel or just trying to give a reaction, you can do any of that through the YouTube studios. Let's head over to YouTube and then click on the profile icon on the top right and head over to YouTube studios. Once you're inside of YouTube studios, on the left hand side, you'll see the option called community. Click on the community option, and here the first option you'll see is the option of comments. Here you're going to view all of the comments that you have received across all of your YouTube videos. Now, there are a few ways that you can sort this video. If you click on the sort by option, you can view the comments from newest or from most relevant. Once you find the video that you're trying to comment on, click on the reply option, and here you can add in any reply that you'd like. Once you added in your reply, click on the reply button, and your reply will be instantly made. Further, from the response or the reply, you can also like or dislike the comment and also give this comment a heart. Later on, if you want to remove the comment that you previously made, you can easily also delete it by clicking on the three dotted line, and then you can click on delete. So that was a quick video on the way that you can respond to comments from your YouTube studios. If this guide video helped you out, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you like more videos just like this, make sure to turn on that post notification.